Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a BMW 3 Series. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a charged battery. Park the working car close to your BMW, ensuring they are not touching. Turn off both vehicles completely and engage their parking brakes for safety. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and safe jumpstart process. Always prioritize safety when working with car batteries. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your BMW's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working car's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working car's battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your BMW, away from the battery. With the cables correctly connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your BMW's battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your BMW 3 Series. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a couple more minutes and try again. Once your BMW starts, keep it running for at least 15 minutes to help recharge its battery. To disconnect, reverse the order. First, remove the black negative cable from your BMW's metal surface, then from the working car's negative terminal. Next, remove the red positive cable from the working car's positive terminal, and finally, from your BMW's positive terminal. Remember to drive your BMW for a while to fully recharge the battery. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.